morning, my dear teachers and my dear friends. My name is Tanishka Karibedi. Today I am going to tell a beautiful story.